Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu meinem neuen Video. In this video, you'll be learning der Nominative. First of all, you have to look at these basics. That is just the sentence structure, and you know that it is subject, verb, and object. And subject is the one who is doing the action. Auf Deutsch, it is Subjekt, and verb, you know that it is the action, and object. Object is who is affected by the subject or the action. Okay, let's look at some examples. Das ist ein Apfel. Here, das is the subject, ist is the verb, and ein Apfel is also the subject. But there are no two subjects here, it's only the one, because das is the representation of the apple over here. Okay, das ist ein Apfel. That is an apple. And the next sentence is das ist ein Kind. That is a child. Das and ein Kind is shown as subject and ist is the verb. It's the same as before. Das ist eine Frau. Das ist eine Frau. That is a woman. And the other one is das Kind spielt. Das Kind spielt. The child is playing, or it is the child plays. So you can see that das Kind is the subject and spielt is the verb. So this is a structure of a nominative sentence, and you can see that you can read that it answers the question wer or was in relation to the verb. So wer or was, that is who or was, who or what. So who, das Kind, was, what, spielt, das Kind spielt. It's just the subject plus verb. That's it. And we'll move on to the next one. That is the definite article and the indefinite article. So bestimmt stands for definite and unbestimmt is indefinite. Negative is the negation, and you can note these down in your notebook, so that will be so helpful. I'll just read out the bestimmt articles, and those are der, die, das, die. It is masculine, feminine, neutral, and the plural. And the unbestimmt articles are ein, eine, ein. And we don't have an article for plural in unbestimmt because we don't say a books, a cars, we don't say that. And the negation, and it is kein, keine, kein, keine. And we look at some examples. That is, you already know this maybe. Der Mann, the man, ein Mann, a man. Die Frau, eine Frau, that is the woman, a woman. Ein Hund, der Hund. The dog, a dog. And how do we say the car? And it is das Auto, and a car will be ein Auto. We'll move on to some example sentences. Das ist ein Apfel. Das ist ein Apfel. So the article of apple in German language, it is der. So it became das ist ein Apfel. Das ist eine Katze. So the article of cat is die. It is die Katze. So that's why it is das ist eine Katze. Das ist ein Auto. It is das Auto, so it became das ist ein Auto. And the last one, it is das sind die Bücher. It is the plural form, and die Bücher, it is the plural of das Buch. Das Buch means the book. So das sind die Bücher. Those are the books. And the negation examples. Das ist kein Apfel. That is not an apple. Das ist keine Katze. That is not a cat. Das ist kein Auto. That is not a car. Das sind keine Bücher. Those are not books. And that's how we use the articles. And we have personal pronouns in nominative. And those are ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. And you can see that ich is I, du, you, he, she, it, we, you, and this you is like we say you guys. It's a plural. It's more than one person. And C is they. That's also plural. And C, the other C is it's the formal way of saying you. And it is always better to learn the verb sign and its conjugation. You can write this on your notebook. And here we'll see some examples. Ich bin Katja. I am Katja. Du bist ein Mann. You are a man. Es ist ein Hund. It is a dog. Wir sind Studenten. We are students. Ihr seid pünktlich. You are punctual. Sie sind Bananen. They are bananas. Sind Sie der Lehrer? Are you the teacher? Possessive pronomen or possessive pronouns. These are used to show possession. So, for example, my cat, my car, my mother, like that. Und Beispiel: Das ist deine Tasche. That is your bag. Das ist unser Haus. That is our house. Das ist sein Auto. That is his car. So, the first one it is das ist deine Tasche. So, since it is die Tasche, it became deine Tasche. And if it was der Tasche, it would have been das ist dein Tasche. But here we have the Tasche's article, or maybe the bag's article, die Tasche. And das Haus, das Auto. And we also have a couple of Beispiels here. It is das ist mein Ball, das ist deine Lampe, das ist sein Tisch, das ist ihre Jacke,